Ang funny thing lang doon is the fact na nagkaroon tayo ng malawakang global IT outage that grounded airports noong July 19 or even 20, including the Philippines and much of Southeast Asia and the world in general, which meant delayed or canceled flights but nakaalis pa rin siya. Buti na lang, di ba? Her departure also coincides dun sa kanyang pag-absent sa mga hearing ni Senator Risa at Sherwin kung kailan siya na-cite in contempt back in like the first week of July. The big contention here is the fact na may nakakita raw kay suspended Mayor Guo noong August 14 para mag-file ng kanyang counter-affidavit sa Bulacan noong August 14 ayon sa isang Elmer Garcia na nag-notarize daw ng kanyang affidavit sa Bulacan ayon kay DOJ Prosecutor Sonny Ocampo na nag-head ng qualified trafficking complaint laban kay Alice Guo from the DOJ.